Hello students, welcome back to Science Online Classes. I am Jafar Pasha, your science teacher. So last class we studied about the states of matter, about that solid, liquid and gas and their characteristics. Let's begin the next topic in the same lesson, the change of state of matter. In the lesson, matter in our surroundings. The matter can change their state from one state to another state based on their two factors. One factor is the effect of temperature and the second one is effect of pressure. So let me see. First, effect of change of temperature. When you are increasing the temperature of a solid, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. This kinetic energy will result the particles will move faster and loses their force of attraction between each other. At a certain stage, the solid starts melting and converted into liquid. The temperature at which the solid melts and converted into liquids at a particular atmospheric pressure is known as melting point. Once again, I will repeat. The temperature at which the solid melts and converted into liquid at atmospheric pressure is known as melting point. The melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin. The Kelvin is nothing but the SI unit of temperature. The temperature is exhibited in the Kelvin and also in degree Celsius. So when we are having the number in degree Celsius, the melting point of ice is 0 degree if we are taking. In that degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius and the Kelvin 273.16 Kelvin. Understood? So after that one, the process of melting is the change of solid state into liquid state. It is also known as fusion. It is also known as fusion. So it means the melting process is also known as fusion, which is nothing from change of solid state into liquid state. Understood? So when the solid melts and converted into liquid, the temperature remains same. The excess amount of heat energy, the temperature will not show in the thermometer. It means where it is gone, the excess amount of energy, the excess temperature, where it is gone. So this excess temperature will hide into the content of the beaker. So in other words, we can say the ice will absorb the excess amount of heat energy within it without showing rise in the temperature. So this hidden energy is also called as latent heat. This excess energy and which is hidden energy, which is hidden into the content of the beaker, which is hidden into the ice. So that hidden energy is called as latent heat. Understood? Then what do you mean by latent heat of fusion? Latent heat of fusion. Fusion means, as you know, that fusion is nothing but the melting. So it means the latent heat of fusion is nothing but the temperature, the heat energy which is required to convert the 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure and at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. Once again I will repeat. Remember, the temperature, the heat energy which is required to change the 1 kg of solid into liquid at its atmospheric pressure and at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. Understood everyone? Then next come to that one. The solid will change into liquid, which is called as melting point. Understood? Then now you saw that one, the solid will change into liquid state by the process called fusion. Now let's see how the liquid will change into gaseous state. Understood? So when you are increasing the temperature of a liquid, means when you are keep on heating the liquid, so the particles of the matter will even move faster. Understood? When they are move very faster, they are loses the force of attraction between them. So finally, the liquid state will convert it into gaseous state. Will convert it into gaseous state. So this process of change of liquid state into gaseous state is called vaporization. The liquid state will change into gaseous state through the process called vaporization. When you are increasing the temperature, the force of attraction between the particles will loses and they starts converting into gaseous state. The temperature at which the liquid will starts converted into gaseous state is called its boiling point. Is called its boiling point. Once again I will repeat, the temperature at which the liquid starts to convert it into gaseous state at its room atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius in degree Celsius scale, and in Kelvin we have to be right 373 Kelvin. This is the melting point of, boiling point of water. 100 degrees Celsius, or otherwise we can write in the Kelvin scale 373 Kelvin. So this is the interconversion of from solid to liquid through the process called fusion, from the liquid to gas through the process vaporization. Understand? So now from that one again vice versa. If you are increases the temperature of a matter, the solid will convert it into liquid, liquid convert it into gas if we are increasing the temperature. If vice versa, if we decrease the temperature, the gaseous state will convert it into liquid state through the process called condensation. Through the process called condensation. So we can have another example also. The rain, formation of a rain is also results the condensation. The temperature of the water vapor drops and it will convert it into water droplets. So this is the decrease in the temperature, the gaseous state will convert it into liquid state. Again we are keep on decreasing the temperature of a liquid, the liquid state will convert it into solid state through the process called solidification. Through the process called solidification. It means the temperature will affect to change the state of matter. If you are increasing the temperature, solid will convert it into liquid, liquid converted into gas. If you decrease the temperature of a matter, the gaseous state will convert it into liquid, the liquid will convert it into solid state. So this is the effect of temperature on matter to change the state of matter. Now the second factor which affect to change the state of matter is the pressure. The effect of change of pressure. When we are increasing or decreasing the pressure of a matter, the state of matter will change. For example, you can take an example of LPG. What is this? Yes, what we are using the gas cylinders in our domestic purposes, LPG gas. So it means liquefied petroleum gas. I will observe the name liquefied petroleum gas. So gas also given the name, liquid also given the name, liquefied. Why it is given? Because when you are filling the gas into the cylinder, before filling it is in a gaseous form, When you keep on filling the gas into the cylinder, so it feel more and more pressure. So that's why this gas will convert it into liquid state into the cylinder. Understood? So that's why if you increase the pressure, the gaseous state will convert it into liquid state. Understood everyone? So it means if you are changing the pressure, if you are increasing the pressure, then the gaseous state will change into liquid state. If you are decrease the pressure, means when you have opened that one, when you are using that one gas, again the liquefied gas into the cylinder will come out in the form of gaseous state because you are decreasing the pressure. If you decrease the pressure, the liquid will change into gaseous state. Understand? You can take another example also. Have you heard the name of dry ice? Dry ice? Yes, of course. The solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide. So the solid carbon dioxide is also called dry ice. Why? Because if you are decrease the decrease the pressure to 1 atmosphere. Remember, if you decrease the pressure at 1 atmosphere to the solid ice, this solid ice will directly convert it into gaseous state. Understood? If you are decreasing the pressure at 1 atmosphere, the solid dry ice means solid carbon dioxide will convert into gaseous state. If you have increased the atmospheric pressure at 1 atmosphere, it will again the gaseous carbon dioxide will convert it into solid ice means solid carbon dioxide. Understood everyone? So this is the effect of temperature and effect of pressure. The one more thing is there. Some of the materials which are directly interchanging from solid state to liquid, gaseous state, and from gaseous state to solid state. So that through the process called sublimation. Through the process called sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which the solid state will convert it to directly to gaseous state without entering into liquid state. Understood? This is called as sublimation. Not only that one, it is vice versa also. It is a process of to change the gaseous state directly to solid state without entering into liquid state. It is also called as sublimation. Understood? So this is the process of interchanging of state of matter from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and vice versa. So and directly from solid to gas and gas to solid through the process called sublimation. Understood everyone? So let us know the overall how they are changing that one. Okay. Now see overall how the state of matter will change. The solid will change into liquid state through the process called fusion, and the liquid will change into solid through the process called solidification. Like that, the liquid state will change into gaseous state through the process called vaporization. And like that, the gaseous state will change into liquid state through the process called condensation. Understood? So like then, the gas directly change into solid. The solid will change directly to gas without entering into liquid. So through the process called sublimation. Understood everyone? Now let us see how the degree scale will change. Understood? Let us see how the scale will change. So there are two scales we are using. One is degree Celsius and another one is Kelvin. Understand? Okay. What is the melting point of ice? Yes, of course. 0 degree Celsius. In Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. So it means that 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. Okay, what is the boiling point of water? Yes, of course, 100 degree Celsius. In Kelvin, yes, 373 Kelvin. Understood? So what you understood? when we are have to change from a degree Celsius to Kelvin, we have to be add plus 373 Kelvin. Okay, let me see how. Okay, take an example of a 25 degree Celsius temperature. We have to be change this degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale. How? We have to be about that one solution. The 25 plus 273, which is equal to 298 Kelvin. Okay, so like that one, we have to change the degree Celsius. If you want to change the degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale, we have to be add 273 number. Understood? Like that vice versa. If you want to change the Kelvin scale into degree Celsius, yes, we have to be minus 273. Or we have to remove 273. Let me see. How? If you want to take that one as 298 Kelvin. If you want to change into degree Celsius, then we have to be just minus, means 298 minus 273, which is equal to 25 degree Celsius. And so remember that you write that one the scale in which you are converted. Understood? So like that one, we have to be change the degree Celsius scale into Kelvin scale into degree Celsius. Now let us see evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes from its liquid state to gaseous state without being heated to its boiling point. Factors affecting the evaporation. The temperature. When we increase the temperature, the liquid state will change into gaseous state. So this is a temperature in which the gas forms. This is a first factor. You can see that one another example also. Surface area. If you increase the surface area, the rate of evaporation will increases. You can take an example of cup and saucer. The saucer having a large surface area while compared to cup. So that's why the level of water will decrease in a saucer while compared to cup because of the increase in the surface area. Then wind speed. When these clothes are left for drying, when the wind is fast blowing, the water droplets from the clothes moves towards the air and hence the clothes will dry faster. The next, humidity. Humidity is nothing but the amount of water vapors present in the air. If the water vapors are more in the air, then the rate of evaporation will decrease. Take an example, two beaker in which the water is kept. One is kept in the sunny light, one is in that one cloudy day. The level of water will decrease in the sunny day because of less humidity in the atmosphere. It means you saw that one, what is evaporation and how the factors are affecting the evaporation. Hope you understood this lesson matter in our surroundings. In next class we will start the new lesson. Thank you, Vanessa.